What's up guys? Jaden from the lab here, and today we're going to talk about lifestyle proofing. So a lot of people ask, what is lifestyle proofing? And it's a combination of three things. First, we take your phone and we waterproof it, putting a hydrophobic liquid on the interior of your phone. And basically what that does, it increases its water resistance rating by 91%. Then we throw a tempered glass screen protector on it, putting another layer between your phone and the ground when it drops. And finally, we put a case on your phone so that if you drop it and it doesn't land on the screen, it's protected. So let's do a cost comparison. If you lifestyle proof your phone, the overall cost for the waterproofing using our pressurized chamber, plus the tempered glass screen protector and a Gear 4 shock absorbent case is $100. If you break the screen on your phone, per model, the price ranges from $80 to upwards of $300 for the newest and latest model phones. If you get your phone wet without the waterproofing, you actually have to pay a $50 deposit for us to clean your phone, and it has a 60% success rate. Now, the best thing to do for your phone in terms of damage and correction is prevention. So if you have any questions or want to stop into the store to learn a little bit more, feel free to. Thank you guys for watching this video, and we hope to see you soon.